Manufactured from zinc die cast. Provides added security on residential and apartment doors. Can be easily installed on either wood or metal doors for installation flexibility. Allows door to open partially while still proving security. Provide added security on residential and apartment doors. Can be installed on either wood or metal doors for installation flexibility. Die cast zinc, bright brass finish. National Hardware N183-590 V807 door chain in brass. Top reviews from the United States. Durable chains. My Smarty Pants grandson is young but can open any door. I purchased the chains to stop his door opening. The chains have been working perfectly. I don't know why I didn't think of them before.